If you landed on Venus, this hot planet would crush you like a plastic bottle. Ouch, it would be painful, but don't worry, it would only last 5 seconds, the longest 5 seconds of your life.
Like and subscribe. First exciting part. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like and subscribe to follow all new What If secrets. Next to like with a simple bounce or flash animation. Next to subscribe with the same animation to grab attention. Reads the text at the same time it appears, in a clear, enthusiastic tone to encourage interaction. 4. Text effects. Fade in or slide, appearing in the middle of the video after a key or exciting moment.
And just wait until you see what happens on Mars. It's unsettling. Venus has an extremely dense atmosphere, and with that dense atmosphere comes crushing pressure. Literally, it would crush you. The Venusian atmospheric pressure is 92 times higher than the pressure you experience on Earth. It would only take a millisecond before it started crumpling your spacesuit. After 1 second, your suit's integrity would be compromised. You'd be trapped in the imploding spacesuit with no way out. And that's when your body would begin to collapse. In the next 2 seconds, your skin and muscles would compress, your blood vessels would pop, your organs would fail. Finally, you'd lose consciousness, and just like that, you'd be gone. Venus looks like a beautiful place, but it's deadly, and being crushed by extreme pressure is just one of the many ways you die here. Remember the dense Venusian atmosphere? Not only does it create crushing pressure, but it also generates the greenhouse effect. Venus is hot, instantly boiling your insides hot. Even if you could somehow withstand all that bone-crushing pressure, the heat would get you. Oh yeah, this feels hot. Like being toasted. Like bread being toasted. You know what toast is.
Warning, internal temperature rising.
The surface temperature on Venus reaches 465 degrees Celsius. That's almost as hot as lava coming out of Earth's volcanoes. You'd feel the effects of this intense heat within seconds. After 1 minute, your internal temperature would start rising. Cue heat exhaustion. Body temperature 40 degrees and rising. At this point, you'd experience nausea, fatigue, and extreme sweating. Your internal organs would start to overheat. After 10 minutes, you'd lose consciousness. Now you just have minutes left before suffering brain damage and complete cardiac arrest. On Venus, heat stroke is no joke. Nothing's a joke here. The Venusian air is unbreathable. It's made up of 96.5% carbon dioxide and 3.5% nitrogen, which means taking even a single breath would suffocate you. And if that's not enough, Venus's sulfuric rain would corrode your spacesuit and burn your skin. Survival on Venus? 1 out of 10. Would not recommend. Now, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Unlike Venus, it doesn't have an atmosphere. Without an atmosphere, there's nothing to trap heat during the long Mercurian nights. Even though Mercury is just 58 million kilometers from the Sun, as soon as night hits, it cools down rapidly. At first, you could walk around and explore, but soon, numbness in your fingers appears, the early stages of hypothermia. After 10 minutes in this extreme cold, you'd barely be able to move. Your muscles would feel stiff. You'd feel confused and cold. It would take about 60 minutes for Mercury's dark side to kill you. Slow, cold, and painful. The Dayside, however, is extremely hot. Temperatures hit 427 degrees C. Extreme radiation damages your DNA within seconds. Hyperthermia sets in, making you nauseous and weak. Mars. The red planet sounds promising, but its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide. A minor suit malfunction exposes you to low pressure, causing blood and bodily fluids to boil. Dust storms damage equipment and life support. Survival is extremely limited. Jupiter, a gas giant with no solid surface, you'd fall into its hydrogen and helium atmosphere. Violent lightning storms and extreme pressure would destroy your capsule, making survival impossible. Saturn, another gas giant, its rings are made of billions of ice and rock chunks, moving at high speed. Entering the atmosphere means facing unimaginable pressure and intense storms. Uranus, coldest atmosphere of all planets. Toxic methane, extreme pressure, and the possibility of turning into a diamond make it deadly. Neptune. Supersonic winds up to 2,100 km/h. Extreme pressure and turbulence would rip your ship apart, while centrifugal forces harm your body quickly. Pluto, dwarf planet, extremely cold, 239 degrees Celsius. One small suit malfunction and you'd freeze to death in minutes.
If you enjoyed this video, smash that like and subscribe to follow all new What If secrets.